Welcome. Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how easy you can set up power on timer. So we have to tap on the settings button on your remote control. Next you have to go for all settings. Right now go for the general, click on the time and go below for the timers. Here we got the power on timer, so just open it, click on this right upper corner to activate, and as you can see here we can pick the time. We can set the hour and minutes when we want to get our TV to be turned on. We can also set the repeat for every day from Monday to Sunday, and here we can put the input. We can turn on it as a TV, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 and it's linked to the PS4, or HDMI 3 or 4. Here we can also set the volume level. So for example, if you linked here the TV, you can set as your favorite station, for example the radio TV, and the volume will be set up like that, so for sure you will be wake up on the time. And basically that's it. So as you can see, it's very simple to set it up. I'm going to turn it off because I don't need this feature here, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.